Hi, I'm going to show you how to set up the iO1 for a countertop application as shown here. We've got one which is sitting directly on the countertop here, but in this orientation here it'd be ideal for low ground because the firing of the angle is going to come up towards you, so it's ideal for kind of lower level. If you are looking to go more kind of horizontal where you're sitting, then you'd use the included bracket, okay? And I'll show you how to do that now. So on the back of the speaker we've got, I'll just show you here, two fixing points here, these little brass lugs here. We're going to fix into those, okay? And using the two screws supplied, we're going to fix through these two holes here, okay? So what we've got to do next is just offer those up. So again, get the two screws here, offer it up here. So what I'm going to do is place it on the table first, nice firm ground so you don't drop it. Just place that towards me so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, and use a screwdriver. Just offer the screws up into the holes, and you know where you're going those. So you just offer those up here. Use your fingers at this point just to kind of put a few threads in there. Makes it a little bit easier. Same for the other one. Just offer those up and screw through, and using a screwdriver again, just tighten those up. Don't over tighten, just as you start feeling it, just a couple of turns, max on there. And same for the other side. There we go. Okay, and that's ideal then, as you can see here. It's all fixed in place. The underside fixings are through here. And what we need to do is then put on the table. But again, for cable management, on this side of things, the cables will come directly through the back here. Again, we'll cover the re-enclosure fixing of the cables in another video. Okay, so in this instance here, it's perfect for on here, and also above on a bookcase, something like that. That's ideal for that. Okay, thanks for watching. Check out our other videos for more mounting applications. Thank you.